Break free of history, this train is racing straight.